Get ready. August 2016, intermediate grade. Start. Mr. Speaker Sir, honorable members have dealt with various points in the course of the debate. First of all, I would like to give an idea with regard to what we have done in the matter of minor irrigation and what we are going to do. I am glad to say that there has been a very good response from the states to the minor irrigation program. I would like to point out that certain priorities have been laid down for the minor irrigation program in the states. Completion of all the minor irrigation works already taken up in the various states is priority number 1 for the allocation during the year. Then, so far as renovation of old tanks and irrigation sources are concerned, some allocation is reserved for this purpose. I agree that we have to make much progress. In this connection, it is necessary to provide for annual maintenance charges for minor irrigation sources. Honorable members will be glad to know that the Finance Commission also has taken note of this demand in the matter of allocation to the states. As far as minor irrigation is concerned, I may assure the House that we will give the highest priority to the tapping of water, but at the same time I have to point out that for this purpose it is necessary to make a survey to find out where groundwater is available and what should be done to tap that water. I may inform the House that we have set up a cell for this purpose and it will take up this survey that we may know sources of water available in the country. So we will go on tapping this water as much as possible. For this purpose we require some equipment. I want the House to know that all this has been given the highest priority. Then there is some doubt with regard to the use of chemical fertilizers. It is not as if I am against organic manure. On the other hand, I feel that for the purpose of keeping the balance, it is necessary to use certain quantity of organic manure. Without that, perhaps it may not be possible to get the best out of the land. So we are laying emphasis on this. In addition to that, I would like to point out that we have plant protection measures. I am glad to say that great importance has been given by the Planning Commission to the use of foreign exchange for improving agriculture. So we hope that all these things will be available to us in sufficient quantities as far as our program is concerned. Then it is important that there should be credit facilities for the farmers in spite of all that we have done with regard to cooperative development, cooperative credit is now going only to big people. So we are trying to find out what should be done to take care of small farmer. Letter from Guru and Company, Madurai, to Mrs. Palani and Company, Coimbatore. Dear sirs, we enclose an enquiry to which we shall be glad to have an early reply. You will remember that we sent a similar enquiry a few months ago. You said that you were not able to send your quotation due to circumstances which were temporary. At the same time, you wanted to be given an opportunity on the next occasion. We understand that you are now able to work under normal conditions and you are anxious to work for us. The material that we are about to order is wanted for a big contract. We are sure that we can succeed if we can get the cooperation of people like you, upon whom we have relied for years. Of course, we are aware of the circumstances under which you were not able to submit your quotation on the last occasion. We are glad that you are now in a happy position and that you can help us. In the circumstances, we trust that we shall be able to resume the business association that was for many years mutually profitable. Yours faithfully,